Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Today through this video we are going to discuss one of the biggest recruitment notification of 2020 that has been published by ONGC, that is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India Limited, as you can see here on the screen. Friends, once more time I would like to repeat the same thing what I have said, that this is going to be the one of the biggest recruitment notification of 2020, because friends, when GC has published this recruitment notification, and as per this recruitment notification you have vacancy in your respective states. So you can see the state wise vacancy here. So I'll discuss each and everything, like if you studied from Dehradun, Delhi, Jodhpur, Mumbai, Goa, etc. So you can see each and every city there are a huge vacancy. So friends, before we going to the discussion, let me inform you once again that here in Exams Made Easy you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications every day. So if you are watching our videos for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates like this. So friends, coming back to the analysis of this recruitment notification that has been published by Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India Limited, or in short ONGC. So if you look at the first northern sector, that is in Dehradun, in various respective disciplines there are vacancies, and total number of vacancies 180, and the disciplines are accounts assistant, HR secretariat assistants, computer operation, electronics fitter, laboratory assistants, mechanic diesel, refrigeration, and Delhi ONGC accountant, assistant HR, draftsman civil engineering, electrician, secretariat assistant. So in this way, if you see the vacancy various state wise, I'm not going to discuss the posts, each and every post in detail. If you look at the various city wise, the vacancy, Jodhpur total number of vacancies 24, for Mumbai number of vacancies 478, for Goa 16, Hazira 162, Uran 108, for western sector Cambay 132, Vadodara 168, Ankleshwar 463, Ahmedabad 465, Mehsana 351, and if you look at the eastern sector, Jorhat, that is in Assam 156, Silchar, that is also in Assam 49, Nazira and Sivasagar total vacancies 511. For southern sector, that is Chennai, total vacancies 72. For Kakinada, total vacancies 58. Rajahmundry, total vacancies 308. Karaikal, total vacancies 236. For central sector, Agartala, total vacancies 163. Kolkata, total vacancies 58. So on an average, some 2 to 3,000 vacancies are there, as you can see here on the screen. So friends, if you look at the other informations regarding this recruitment notification, age limitation is 18 to 24 years, and upper age relaxation is permissible as per government norms, that is 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, 10 years for person with disabilities. So what are the educational qualifications? Basically friends, for accountant and assistant human resource, for those two posts only bachelor's degree is required, and for all other posts, as you can see, draftsman, electrician, civil, fitter, for all such posts ITI course, that is ITI in draftsman, ITI electrician, ITI in fitter, that is ITI course is required unless mentioned otherwise, as you can see here. Like for civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, diploma in those respective disciplines are required. So what about pay? What is the procedure of application? We'll discuss each and every information. So basically this is the website by following which you can get each and every information, and as well as this is the website by following which you have to apply online also. So if you would like to get this PDF copy, you can avail the PDF copy from our Telegram channel, as well as the link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link also you can download the same, and you can check each and every information regarding this recruitment. So friends, once more time I would like to inform you about the dates. Online application procedure has already been started from 29 July onwards, and it will continue till 17th of August. So more or less you have around 14 days left, and result will be published. Last date of receiving application is 17th August, and result will be published on 24th August. and receive confirmation from candidate will be done within 24th August, and everything else will be done online. So that's what is one of the most important information regarding the same. And if you are having any queries, if you have any question, you can mail here in this mail ID. The address is also available in the description box of this video also. So friends, thanks for watching, and I would like to once again request all of you, please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. Thank you.